Hello viewers, welcome back. Today in this video I am going to solve this problem. If x plus y into root 2 whole square is equal to 19 plus 6 root 2, then find the values of x and y. Here we have to solve this equation to calculate the values of x and y. Now let us start the solution. And the given equation is x plus y into root 2 whole square is equal to 19 plus 6 root 2. And from this we have to find the values of x and y, which are the given unknowns. And we can solve this equation in two different ways. Either we can expand the left hand side and we can compare the result with the right hand side, and by doing so we will get the values of x and y. Or we can simplify the right hand side and compare the result with the left hand side, and in that way also we can get the values of x and y. But if we expand the left hand side, it will be lengthier. So we are going to start with the right hand side. We will simplify it and compare the result with the left hand side. Now let us simplify the right hand side. 19 plus 6 root 2. 19 plus 6 root 2. Now we can multiply the number with 4 and divide the result with 4. By doing so, we get 4 into 19, 76, plus 4 into 6, 24, root 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator there is 4. Now we can factorize 24 root 2. For 24 root 2, we have to express this in such a way so that we can express the numerator of the right hand side in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, which will be equal to a plus b whole square. Here we have to express this 24 root 2 in the form of 2ab. So here the numerator of the right hand side 76 plus 24 root 2 can be written as 76 plus, for 24 root 2 we can write 2 into 6 root 2 into 2, because the product of 6 root 2 and 2 is 24 root 2, which is equal to 24 root 2. Now if we consider 6 root 2 as one number and 2 as another number, we can express 76 as the sum of the squares of these two numbers. So for 76 we can write 6 root 2 whole square plus 2 square, and there is 2 into 6 root 2 into 2. Now we can see that this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2a into b. So by using the formula given in the bracket, we can express this as in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a is 6 root 2 and b is 2, so it is equal to 6 root 2 plus 2 whole square. So this is equal to 6 root 2 plus 2 whole square. Now we can substitute this here and it becomes 6 root 2 plus 2 whole square in the numerator, and in the denominator there is 4. And we can write this 4 as 2 square. Now both numerator and denominator are in square, so we can write this as 6 root 2 plus 2 upon 2 whole square. Now let us simplify 6 root 2 plus 2 upon 2 in this way. 6 root 2 upon 2, 2 upon 2 whole square, and within the bracket we can cancel 2 with 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So it becomes 3 root 2 plus 1 whole square. That is 3 root 2 plus 1 whole square. Now this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So we can substitute this with 3 root 2 plus 1 whole square. Now here we can write 3 root 2 plus 1 whole square. Now we can see these two expressions are equal. Now in the next one we can write x plus y root 2 whole square is equal to 1 plus 3 root 2 whole square. Now these two expressions are equal and they have same exponents. So their bases are equal. This implies that their bases x plus y root 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 root 2. They are equal. Now equating rational and irrational terms, this gives x is equal to 1 and y root 2 is equal to 3 root 2. Therefore, this implies that x is equal to 1 and y root 2 is equal to 3 root 2. We can cancel root 2 with root 2, and this gives y is equal to 3. And the value of x is 1 here. Therefore, the values of x and y are 1 and 3 respectively. So this is the solution to this problem. So guys, this much for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and also to leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Bye bye, take care, have a good time.